Hello everyone, I'm Logavani Pannaselvam from BITC S1G2. Today we are going to continue with Progress 2 for our operating system project. For Progress 2, we are going to be seeing DNS configuration and web server configuration. Okay, so first we'll open up the terminal. Before we do the configuration, we have to first do a few things in the sources.list file. So first we'll edit it using sudo nano So in this file we have to first comment this line, this DEB CD-ROM, and then we have to add a few things over here. We have to add all these few things. So since I've already added, I'm just going to skip this. So I'll press Ctrl O to save and then I'll exit. So after editing sources.list file, we have to update the local package index to the latest changes. So for that we type sudo apt update. So this may take a while. So now the packages have been successfully updated. Next we have to upgrade the package for security and bug fixes. So we'll type sudo apt upgrade. And now we can see it is finished upgrading. So after upgrading the apt, we will have to add a CD-ROM. So sudo apt CD-ROM add. So for disk we go to devices, optical drives, and we choose 64-bit and then we click enter. Okay, so after adding the CD-ROM we have to update. After updating, we have to upgrade. Okay, so now we have successfully updated and upgraded. Next, we have to install our DNS server, and here we are using bind 9. So we use sudo apt get install bind 9. So the installation is complete. To check if we have completed successfully, we use dpkg l bind 9. We can see that it's in our system, so it's successfully installed. So after successfully installing our domain name server, we have to configure the bind file. So first we go to cd. So now we have entered the bind directory. So first we will list down. So now we want to configure the IP address and the DNS server of this file named config local. So before we want to configure, we have to first create a backup file. So sudo cp, we type the name of the file and then we type the name of the backup file. So for now I'm putting name config local backup, type in the password. So as we can see, the backup file has been successfully created. So now we want to edit the main file, so we go sudo and so we want to add some configuration over here. So we type logavani.com will be the name of my website. So this is the name of my forward lookup file. Later we will create this file. So that was for the forward lookup. Now we will do the reverse lookup. So for the reverse lookup, we have to write the IP address in reverse. And this will be the name of my reverse lookup file. So we save this, we press Ctrl O, we save and we exit. So next we want to create the forward and the reverse files. So we'll go sudo cp So as we can see, we have successfully created the forward and the reverse file. So next we want to configure both forward and the reverse file. So first we will configure the forward file. So here we will change the name of the localhost to the website, and then we change over here also. And in this one we change to the IP address of our server, which is 192.168.56.10. Okay, so after changing this, we will save. We'll press Ctrl O and then we exit. So now we will configure the reverse file. We'll do the same. We'll change the localhost to the website name. and then we save the file and we exit. So after configuring our forward and reverse file, we leave the bin directory and then we go to the etc directory. So next we have to configure this file, resolve conflict. So sudo nano resolve So here we change this to the website name and this one to the IP address, and then we save. So after configuring the resolve file, we have to restart the service. So after restarting, so now we can see that it is connected. We can also check using so as you can see that it is receiving, so it is connected. We can also check the connection by pinging to 192.168.56.10. So as we can see, it is receiving packets, which means the connection is successful. Another way to check is we can go to control panel and then network and internet, view network and task, change adapter settings, VirtualBox, properties, and IPv4 properties. Here we can configure the DNS servers 192.168.56 and 10. We click OK, then we close. We can go to command prompt and then we try to ping to the IP address. So as we can see, the ping was successful, so which means that we have successfully configured our DNS server. So that is all for Progress 2 today. Thank you.